To the untrained eye, it looks like a mountain of concrete and steel. But to the greatest engineers on Earth, it is a nightmare. 1,000 meters. That is the boundary Saudi Arabia is crossing with the Jeddah Tower. For years, skeptics said it was a math problem that couldn't be solved. They claimed the wind would snap it and the Earth wouldn't support it. But as we move deeper into 2026, the columns are holding steady and the critics have gone silent. Welcome back to Saudi Skyline. Today, we are uncovering the hidden science that left the engineering world in absolute disbelief. When you build a structure that touches the clouds, your biggest enemy isn't weight, it's the wind. At 1 kilometer high, the Shamal windstorms carry enough force to push against a building like a massive tidal wave. How do you stop it? You don't fight the wind, you confuse it. Look at the unique 3-sided aerodynamic tapering design. Every few floors, the shape changes slightly. This blocks the wind from forming a single powerful vortex, breaking the energy down into harmless drafts. It is a masterpiece of fluid dynamics, tested meticulously in wind tunnels before a single brick was laid. But the wind is only half the battle. Think about the physical reality of building this giant. You need millions of tons of concrete. But how do you push liquid stone nearly 1,000 meters straight?
Behind the dust and the heavy machinery, there is a digital mind running this entire project. Every square centimeter of the Jeddah Tower is monitored by a real-time digital twin. Thousands of embedded sensors track how much the core sways, how the temperature affects the steel, and how the foundations are settling into the earth. If a single beam moves even a millimeter out of tolerance, the system alerts the ground team instantly. It is a fusion of physical labor and artificial intelligence. The Jeddah Tower is no longer a question of if. It is a showcase of what humanity can achieve when vision meets absolute determination. Would you step onto the highest outdoor balcony of this tower? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Saudi Skyline for the ultimate mega project updates.